In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide explicit content in Leonardo AI. Understanding how to manage the content you see can be crucial, especially if you want to maintain a professional environment or simply prefer to filter out explicit material. So, without further ado, let's dive into the simple yet effective way to adjust settings in Leonardo AI to hide explicit content. Firstly, you'll want to make your way to your profile settings, which is where the magic begins. So start by looking for your profile icon, which is conveniently located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon serves as the gateway to your profile settings, giving you access to a host of options that can help tailor your user experience to fit your needs. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This menu provides several options, but for the purposes of hiding explicit content, your next move should be to select Profile. It's here that you can find the controls necessary to adjust your content preferences. Now that you're in the profile settings, it's time to take a closer look at the NSFW, or Not Safe for Work, content settings. This section is specifically designed to help users manage and filter the content they are comfortable viewing. To effectively hide explicit content, you'll need to focus on the checkbox that states, "I can confirm that I am over 18 and understand that I may encounter explicit content." This checkbox is the key to controlling the explicitness of the content you might encounter while using Leonardo AI. To hide explicit content, simply uncheck this box. Unchecking it signals to Leonardo AI that you do not wish to view explicit material, thereby aligning the content your experience with your preferences. It's an easy step, but one that plays a vital role in customizing your interaction with the platform. By following these steps, you effectively filter out the explicit content, creating an environment that is not only safer for work, but also aligned with your content consumption preferences. Remember, these settings aren't just about limiting what you see, but are ultimately about giving you control over your digital experience. They ensure that your interaction with Leonardo AI stays pleasant and free of unwanted surprises. In conclusion, hiding explicit content in Leonardo AI is a straightforward task once you know where to look. Adjusting your content settings by navigating through your profile options can empower you to create an experience that is personal and appropriate for your unique needs. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in managing your settings to reflect what you want to see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.